HP printer stuck in queue, fixed. Step 1, power off your printer. Step 2, remove the printer power plug from the outlet. Step 3, click on the search icon and enter service.msc and search. Step 4, open the services application. Step 5, scroll and find Print Spooler. Step 6, right-click on the Print Spooler and select Stop. Step 7, open your File Explorer. Step 8, open the local disk C, find and open the Windows folder. Step 9, open the System32 folder, double-click on the Spool folder, then open the Printers folder. Step 10, select all the files and delete them permanently. Step 11, shut down your computer. Step 12, plug the power plug of the printer back into the outlet. Note, ensure the printer has remained without power for at least 60 seconds. Step 13, turn on your printer. Step 14, turn on your computer and start printing again. For more such help and information, visit us at www.printertales.com or call us at 1-857-557-6884 +44 161 518 4781.